Hello and welcome to the Beae tutorial series, and today I will guide you through the inner row winch. The element help users diversify the form on building the website. So let's drag and drop it onto your page. This element allows you to place and design other elements within it for various use. At the layout part, take note of its responsive function. The content wide to choose the wide layout for element, box layout, full wide layout. The content height to choose the height for the element here. We have default height, focus screen, and mean height. Column gap. This option is used to specify the space between two text columns. You can choose layout, default gap, no gap, wide gap, or anything else. Vertical align. This option will vertically arrange the content of the element. Example: vertical align top align the element top on the top highest element in the same row. Overflow hiding. This option is used to determine when the height of the box is not enough to contain the content. The overflow content will be hidden. Example: when you leave the inner element in absolute view, this feature will hide on the excess compared to the original element side. Initial scale will be 50-50 for two columns. User can add column and change the scale by clicking on the structure section of design, or simply drag it directly on light mode. After choosing the appropriate format, you can add the necessary element inside. So this is the end of my video, and remember to turn on your notifications so that you won't miss any interesting introduction or tutorial video from me. Thank you.